First thing from this weekend is this guy right here, and what it is, it's an old projector from the 70s, I think, and I got it for $4, and I see that on eBay it's selling for about $20, $25. So, not bad. And then, next up, we got this Singer. And the main reason I got this is because the lady only wanted $4 for it. And I really don't know anything about Singers, but I figure for $4, might as well take it home and see what it's worth. And the patents on it are 1910. Let me try to get my magnifying glass here. There it is. Alright. There we go. 1910. But I don't think it was made then, because it's got this electric motor. Like I said, I really don't know anything about Singers, so I'm probably going to need to do a little more research on this. But it's in pretty rough shape. Definitely not something that I would have bought for more than $4 or $5. All the words are all worn off and everything. Over here on this side, all this design is worn off. It's definitely seen a lot of use. Got your serial number down there. So I saw online, in good condition, these are selling for about, I don't know, 80 or 100. So I might be able to get 40 or so for this one. And the next thing I have here is this guy. And this is probably my best buy for the weekend. It's a travel typewriter. And the patent on it is 1917. And the brand name right here is Corona. And I see that online, these guys are going for about 100, 150 if they're in perfect condition. This one's not in perfect condition. It actually has this one condition issue, which is a little bit hard to explain. Basically what it boils down to is the spacebar doesn't work, and when you hit a key, the carriage is supposed to move, but it doesn't move. And yeah, so I paid $17 for it, and I think I should be able to get maybe $50 for it. But to be honest, with all my stuff this weekend, Singer, Projector, and this guy, that's all I got, because I actually only got out really on Saturday, and I only had about $30 to spend. But I don't know, I'm really not sure with all these, because generally I only like to do small stuff, because I don't like to deal with difficult shipping. And I've never really sold anything on Craigslist before, so I'm not really confident with that. So this is kind of a new area for me, because this guy, he just weighs a ton, probably 25, 30 pounds. And then this guy, he weighs a bit, but mostly it's just really fragile, you know? So Not really sure what I'm going to do with these guys.